Why?
Jesus, dog. Die, dog. Tyler, my mom's signing out the way. Oh, Tyler decided to do that.
Do something awesome and like really funny. No, don't, Tyler. Don't do that again, Mom.
Don't try to make a funny video. It's not gonna happen.
I know.
So, what kind of dog do you guys have?
Try to solve the Rubik's Cube or something.